Welcome back. I am Dr. Keshav Mahale, and in this lecture we are going to study one more new rearrangement. Welcome back. I am Dr. Keshav Mahale, and we are going to discuss the rearrangement reaction. In last few lectures we have discussed the some rearrangement reaction such as Beckmann rearrangement, Hofmann rearrangement, Curtius, Lawson and Schmidt rearrangement. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the Olk rearrangement and the Baeyer-Williger rearrangement. Let us start now our discussion with the Olk rearrangement. What is Olk rearrangement? So here is given the diazoketone. This diazoketone, how to make the diazoketone? When acyl halides react with the methylazide, then there will be formation of diazoketone. This diazoketone is sensitive to the thermal and photochemical conditions. When thermal or photochemical conditions apply to the diazoketone, it will be converted into the ketene, and this rearrangement, this conversion is known as the Olk rearrangement. Further, this ketene when react with water, it will be give us the primary amine. Ketene react with alcohol, it will be give us the ester, and when ketene react with primary amine, it will be give us the amide. So let us discuss here our conversion. What is the conversion here? Conversion is the diazoketone to the ketene. Diazoketone to the ketene. Conversion diazoketone to ketene. Diazoketone to ketene. This conversion is known as the Olk rearrangement. When diazoketone is heated or will undergo the photochemical reaction, it will be give us the, this is the R C double bond O CH2 N2. This is diazoketone. R C double bond O CH2N2. This is the diazoketone. Now this diazoketone will be heated or will be irradiated to the light. Then it gives the ketene. Ketene is nothing but, see, this is R, this is CH, double bond C, double bond O. This is nothing but the ketene. This is nothing but the ketene. So we can convert here diazoketone to the ketene. So simply you can see on the board, diazoketone when react when heated, or it will be irradiated to the photon, it will be irradiated to the light, then it converted into the ketene. Now this ketene when react with different type of compound, further it gives us the different product. See, when this ketene react with firstly water, then it gives the primary amine RCH2 and H2, the primary amine. When ketene react with alcohol, it will be give us the ester. It will be give us the ester. This ketene will be give us the ester. So this is the R dash here. And when ketene react with amine, primary amine, then it will be give us the substituted amide. Substituted amide. So primary amine, this is the ester, and this is the amide. This is the amide. So simply we can convert here diazoketone to the primary amine, to the ester, and to the substituted amides. So simply we can convert here diazoketone to in these three types of compound. Now see how diazoketone compound compounds are formed. Diazoic compounds are formed by the acyl halides RC double bond OCl. When these acyl halides react with diazomethane, then this diazomethane will be converted into the diazoketone. So simply we can say that the diazoketone compounds or the acyl type of compound simply converted into these three types of compound: primary amides, esters and amides by using Oldt reaction. So firstly, acyl halide will react with diazoketone. Acyl halide will react with diazomethane. It will be give us a diazoketone, and this diazoketone when irradiated to the light or when heated, it will give us ketene. And this ketene will react with water, gives the primary amide. When alcohol gives the ester, and when amide it gives the amide. So let us discuss here one example. See, this is the example C6H5CH2. C6H5CH2, C double bond O Cl. When react with diazomethane CH2 and react with diazomethane CH2N2, and then after the acidic water. So here is the acid. Firstly, when react with thionyl chloride, then after the diazoketone, and then after the acidic water. So what will be the product? We have to solve this example in Oldt reaction. So first, one by one, we take here the reagent. See, when this acid react with thionyl chloride, you know that this acid will convert into the acyl chloride. And this acyl chloride will react with now diazomethane CH2N2. This having the charge minus and plus layer of N2. This negative charge will attack here. This bond will be open. Again, this bond will be reformed, and the Cl will be removed here, and got here the compound C6H5. CH2. This is C double bond O. This is CH2 here. And this is the nitrogen, triple bond nitrogen. Now this nitrogen having the positive charge. Our third reagent is the acid in presence of water or the acidic water H2O here. So firstly, you can make here. So I write here this hydrogen in this way, and the conjugate base, because we use here the acid. So by hitting on this conjugate base, we will take this hydrogen. This bond will be shift here. This bond will be open. This carbon oxygen double bond will get open. Again, this bond will be reformed, and whole this group. This is the benzyl group. C6H5CH2 is the benzyl group. Will be shipped to the carbon here, and this nitrogen gas will be removed here. So we can use it here. I am writing N2 minus. Then see, in all reaction, the group migrate from carbon to electron deficient carbon. So therefore, we can write from this C6H5. This is CH2. This CH2 attached to now this CH, and this CH2 attached now to this double bond carbon, and this carbon attached to the double bond oxygen. So in this case we have to attack now. We have to attack now this water. When this acidic water, lone pair of oxygen in water will be more here, and this bond will be get shifted here. So we got here C6H5 CH2. This is the C minus here. This is C double bond O here, and this carbon now attach here the oxygen. This is one hydrogen, and this is another hydrogen. This negative charge makes here take this hydrogen, and this bond will be shift here, and we got here the acid. Sorry, I was telling you here when ketene react with the H2O, it will be give their amides, not amides, it will be give their acid. So I correct my sentence. This ketene when react with water, it will be give us the acid. It will be give us the acid. Now, as we compare the acid, as we compare the reactant with this product, then see this one CH2 is here is an extra, and so we can say that Wolff rearrangement is the step-up reaction, because one CH2, one carbon is extra in the product. So therefore, the Wolff rearrangement is the step-up reactions.